Nice. And a chem trailer. Wow. And we got us a chem trailer at the same time. Hit me. It is May 20th, 2018, 1:11 p.m. Wow. Helicopter direct flyover and a chem trailer being caught at the same time. Go figure. Go figure. And then I can go over here and I can show you delayed spray at the east coming up. I can hear them. I just can't see them. Let's see if we can keep eye on this guy. Yeah. 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 This guy is like really bad right now. Going really bad. Alright, they're just messing up the skies. I'm going to get a zoomed out sky view. Peace out.